Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, coming up on the weekend. Hope everybody's got plans. This is your pre opening comment for Friday, the 18th, and it's also a triple witching expiration day today. Just a reminder if you like the work, please hit the subscribe button. So, futures are not really doing a whole lot. The Dow has been between unchanged and up 20, down 20. Um, Last night it was actually weaker, but it has come back. Nasdaq is up 56, and the S&P shows an implied opening of 8. There's not really a lot of news around, but there are a couple of little issues. The one that sounds like the most, but really isn't, is the just Commerce Department. Uh, Stopping downloads of TikTok and WeChat on um, Sunday. Uh, this is only TikTok and WeChat here in the US. So, to give you an idea of how that is, TikTok has 19, or WeChat has 19 million users here, and a billion and a half in China and around the world. And to give you just a comparison, LinkedIn has over a billion. So downloads of TikTok and WeChat is basically for maintenance and only here in the US. So it sounds like a lot, but in fact it's not. Today we have Roche, which is a Swiss firm having a quantitative test for COVID-19 antibodies. You don't really hear a lot about Roche because it doesn't actively trade here, but it is a huge company. And it also owns one of the original premier biotech founders, which is Genentech. So that's still pretty big news. Hertz has been turned down. You got to laugh at this. Hertz has been turned down by the bankruptcy court to allow them to give bonuses, if you can possibly believe that. Um, Bonuses to some of their employees. We also have a bunch of bank and dividend news based on the upcoming stress test. Frankly, I don't get what the stress test is really all about. I can't imagine a stressor more extreme than what we had in February, March of this year with COVID-19. But, you know, they're, I guess, game theorists who want to throw everything that they can at it when, a lot of that is not practical. There's an IPO in Unity Corp today being priced. It looks like it'll be at the top end of the range. We have a downgrade by JP Morgan in Beyond Meat. The stock is trading just below 150, which is down about 4.1%, about seven and a quarter. We have an upgrade on Tesla, which is trading for 45.11, which is up 21.68. Wedbush moves their price target from 380 to 475. And there's a little bit of weakness in Oracle, and you know they're talking about there not actually being a deal for TikTok, and that, of course, impacts Oracle, Walmart, Microsoft, all of the big players who were involved in that. But a strange thing, and that is the deadline, which was supposed to be now, has been extended again. And in point of fact, it's extended all the way out till November 12th, and that gives those three companies and anyone else who's interested in doing something with TikTok, gives them that much more time to work out a deal. So Asia was up a little, Europe was down a little. Here is the chart on oil. It's had a pretty good week. I'll show you what the week looks like. And while I'd like to be short it, there is a sort of rule as it relates to futures, and that is you generally don't want to go counter what the weekly action has been on a Friday. So as you can see, we opened basically unchanged to a little lower on Monday, and the week has been really pretty strong. I still don't think it's going to get through this 43 and a half, 44 area. But based on what I just said, we're not going to go in and short it today. The gold has firmed up and has bounced back a bit. It's up $8.30 right now. This is a weekly, so it's really formed a nice little pennant here. I still expect it to resolve on the upside, but we do have a way to go. You know, the high this week was 1983.80, and so that is obviously an area of concern. Right now, we're well below that. Actually, almost $30 below that. Okay, everyone, watch yourself on Triple Expo, and don't forget to subscribe if you appreciate the work.